How to install an FTP server on AlmaLinux. Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of installing an FTP server in AlmaLinux using vsftpd. Let's get started. Step 1. Update the system. First, we need to update our system to ensure all packages are up to date. Open your terminal and run the following command. Wait for the update to complete. Step 2. Install vsftpd. Next, let's install the vsftpd package. Use this command. Once the installation is done, we need to start and enable the vsftpd service. Step 3. Start and enable vsftpd service. Run the following commands to start vsftpd and enable it to start on boot. Now, let's configure vsftpd to suit our needs. Step 4. Configure vsftpd. Open the vsftpd configuration file using your preferred text editor. In this example, we'll use Nano. After making these changes, save and close the file. Then, restart the vsftpd service to apply the changes. Use this command to restart vsftpd. Next, we need to configure the firewall to allow FTP traffic. Step 6. Configure firewall. Run these commands to allow FTP through the firewall. Finally, let's test our FTP server. Step 7. Test the FTP server. Create a test FTP user with the following commands. Set the home directory permissions. Now, connect to the FTP server using an FTP client or via command line. Enter the username and password for the test user, and ensure you can upload and download files. And that's it. You've successfully installed an FTP server on AlmaLinux using vsftpd. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.